I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be reviewing another Bobbi Boss unit. It's from the same wig series as the unit I'm wearing right now, which is the Aaliyah. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave the link below so that you can see that video. So this is, like I said, the Taraji. I got it in the color 1B. It's a 13x4 hand-tied lace part. Has a pre-plucked natural hairline, baby hairs. It has a flex fit cap for secured comfort and flawless free parting freedom. So this is what the stock card looks like. And you can also add heat to this unit. So let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is what Taraji looks like straight out of the box. It's definitely longer than the Aaliyah, and I feel like it has more of a curl pattern for sure. So let me just show you what the front is looking like. It does come with the baby hairs, which are long, so I feel like those definitely will need to be customized to your liking, because if you just try to get away with sort of just wearing them how they are, you may be looking a little crazy, because the baby hairs are about as long as bangs, so just beware of that. This definitely is a lot of extra lace to cut off. I don't really see the meaning behind that, but that's just something to note. It has two combs in the front, one in the middle, one in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So let's put this on and see what it looks like. So this is what Taraji looks like with the lace still on. Nice hairline. Crazy baby hair, see what I mean? It's like the length of a bang. So those definitely will need to be taken down, or it looks like it's possible for you to just brush it into the hairline, which wasn't as easy with the Bobbi Boss Aaliyah. So I'm just gonna cut off all this crazy lace, come back and see if I can do some styles for you guys. so as you saw, this is another unit that gives you a good amount of styling options. It's very versatile. The texture I really like a lot. It's definitely yaki. I wasn't getting much tangling. I did get some shedding, but it wasn't too crazy. For this unit, the baby hairs weren't too hard to lay down, but then again, I did have to hide some of them inside of the hairline and just brush them back because, like I told you guys, they do give you a lot of baby hairs and they're very thick, but the parting space is very, very nice. The lace is on the darker side, so I feel like it was easier to get it to blend with my skin. So also, this unit as well as the Aaliyah are not super big head friendly. I have not adjusted the straps at all, and it is fitting my head pretty snug. So if you have a bigger head, just be on the wary side if you want to actually get this unit, because you may actually deal with the unit sliding back some, so just beware of that. But this is definitely small and medium head friendly. So this is everything to the front. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So I don't really have anything negative to say about this unit. I do like it. I would get it again. So I feel like this is just a cute, I mean, you could wear this every day. I feel like it will hold up nicely. It feels honestly like a human hair dupe. Like, it's really nice and I like it a lot. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.